Lake Superior State University offers a wide variety of engineering and technology programs. To fulfill the requirements of these degrees, students complete year-long capstone sequences, often referred to as senior projects. Team Superior Thermal Solutions, or STS for short, undertook the task of updating one of two thermal fluid trainer units. These units are owned by Lake Superior State University and housed on its beautiful campus in Michigan's Upper Peninsula.
Team STS was made up of the multidisciplinary group of students Sutter, Mechanical Engineering, Kameron Russell, Manufacturing Engineering Technology, Valderrama, Mechanical Engineering, Howe, Electrical Engineering, and Derrick Dzedie, also Electrical Engineering. These thermal fluid trainer units serve the EGME 432 class, known as Thermal and Fluids Lab, and their origins can be traced back to 2004 when they were built by another team of senior engineering students under the appropriate name Energy Conversion Systems. Since their conception, the units had seen deterioration in their performance, and, as a result, were no longer capable of supporting the 3 individual labs designed in conjunction with the units themselves. To combat this deterioration, Team STS reinvigorated a single trainer unit by replacing hardware with modern equipment, adding additional sensors, replacing the software and controls system, and incorporating an automated data acquisition system associated with the unit for use by students. In so doing, the unit is now capable of supporting an increased total of 5 laboratory experiments.